Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to format your SD card on your Insta360 X5. To format your SD card, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to Settings in top right corner and go to SD card. You can do low-level format or standard format. Standard format is faster and in most cases it's all you need. Low-level format is just doing it a bit more, doing a bit more things that will sort of optimize the performance of your card. I'm just gonna format it normally. Let's click on confirm. Remember that it deletes all the files on your SD card. And now it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.